What's the meaning of cleat? Cleat. Cleat.
Cleat. Cleat. Cleats are devices used to secure ropes, cords, or lines to a fixed object. They typically have two horns or prongs that hold the rope in place, and are commonly found on boats, docks, and other marine structures. Cleats are integral to safe and effective mooring and docking, as they allow boats and ships to be tied securely to a dock or buoy. They are often made of durable materials such as metal or plastic, and come in a variety of sizes and shapes to accommodate different rope diameters and weights.